Welcome to Best Buy Report. The Best Squier Starter Kit is probably one of the most convenient ways to kickstart your electric guitar journey. These kits bundle everything a beginner needs, from the guitar itself to a practice amplifier, cables, and often even accessories like a strap and picks. It's a great way to get playing without the hassle of piecing everything together separately, making it perfect for aspiring guitarists of all ages. Number 5. Best Choice Products 39 inches Electric Guitar Starter Kit. This complete kit includes everything you need to start playing. It comes with an amplifier, cable, carrying case, extra strings, a pick, and a strap. It's perfect for beginners. This electric guitar set is ready to play right out of the box. It's designed to convert vibrations into an electric sound, allowing you to explore different musical styles. The guitar features a quality paint finish and custom black tuning pegs. The accented binding gives it a sophisticated look. It's a stylish instrument. Experiment with different music genres with adjustable sound. The tremolo bridge system lets you bend the pitch. You can even use the removable whammy bar. It's custom designed with a composite fretboard and maple neck. It converts vibrations to a rich sound. It has 3 single coil pickups and a tremolo bridge system. What we like. This kit is truly an all-in-one solution, including everything you need to start playing right away. It features a custom design with a sleek look. If you are a beginner looking for a complete package without the hassle of buying extra accessories, this is a great choice. What people say. It's incredibly easy to play right out of the box. The action, the height of the strings from the fretboard, was good, making it much easier for my beginner fingers to press down chords without buzzing or excessive strain. The neck feels comfortable in my hand, which is crucial when you're spending hours practicing. The sound quality is more than adequate for learning. Through my small practice amp, it produces a clear, versatile tone that works well for a variety of genres. It holds its tuning surprisingly well too, meaning less time spent tuning and more time spent playing. Once I get these set up, I was very impressed at the playability and intonation of these great inexpensive instruments. Number 4. Fender Squier Stratocaster Beginner Guitar Kit. Introducing the Squier Debut Series Stratocaster, designed by Fender. This kit is perfect for beginners, offering everything you need to start your musical journey. This kit includes the Squier Stratocaster electric guitar, a Frontman 10G amp, a gig bag, a strap, a cable, picks, a guitar stand, and extra strings. It has everything you need to get started. Backed by Fender's 75-year legacy, this guitar features a comfortable C-shaped neck and a lightweight body. It is designed for comfort and playability. The kit comes with a free subscription to Fender Play. This provides free lessons to help you build your skills by playing the songs you love. The Squier Strat features 3 single-coil pickups with 5-way switching. This allows the user to explore a wide range of classic Strat tones. The Squier Debut series is available in 3 signature colors, black, Dakota red, and 2-tone sunburst. Choose the one that suits you best. What we like. This kit is designed by a well-known brand with a long history of quality. It's specifically designed for beginners, with a comfortable neck and lightweight body. If you're looking for a guitar that's easy to play and comes with free lessons to get you started, you should consider this one. What people say. The Fender Squier solid body guitar was a great upgrade from the Fender acoustic guitar I bought for my child 2 years ago. Transition was smooth to electric guitar. The Squier is easy to play and sounds great. The bundle came with everything he needed to get started, and it's great quality for a beginner. The guitar itself is easy to play, and the included lessons are a wonderful bonus. Everything in the set is high quality and ready to go, just plug in and play. It's perfect for playing at home or in an apartment, and for a beginner, this set is more than enough to get started. Number 3. Fender Squier Stratocaster Electric Guitar Pack. This is the Fender Squier Stratocaster, a complete electric guitar pack. It comes with everything you need to start playing, including a gig bag and an amplifier. It's perfect for beginners. The guitar features a comfortable, C-shaped neck profile. This design makes it easy to hold and play for extended periods. It's designed for comfort and playability. It is equipped with 3 single-coil Stratocaster pickups. These pickups deliver the iconic Stratocaster sound. You'll get a versatile tone suitable for various music genres. The guitar includes a vintage-style tremolo bridge. This bridge allows you to add expressive vibrato effects to your playing. It adds a classic touch to the instrument. The Fender Squier Stratocaster is available in two classic finishes, black and brown sunburst. Choose the one that best suits your style. It's a stylish instrument. This pack includes a gig bag, Frontman 10G amplifier, and all the necessary accessories. It's a complete package, ready to go. You can start playing right away. What we like. This guitar offers a comfortable playing experience with its C-shaped neck. It features the classic Stratocaster pickups for versatile tones. If you like the iconic Stratocaster sound and feel, and want a reliable instrument, this is a solid option. What people say. Included amp is more than sufficient for home use. For their size, the thickness and fret spacing is perfect. It holds tuning well and sounds good in drop D and E-flat standard without much fiddling. Number 2. Fender Squier Mini Strat Electric Guitar Bundle. This 3/4 size guitar is designed specifically for kids aged 6 to 12. Its smaller size makes it comfortable and easy to handle, allowing them to start their musical journey with ease. Featuring a C-shaped maple neck and a smooth fingerboard, this guitar offers a comfortable playing experience. This design helps young learners practice and develop their skills without strain. Equipped with 3 single-coil pickups and 5-way switching, it provides a wide range of tonal options. This allows the player to explore different musical styles and find their unique sound. The vintage-style hardtail bridge ensures tuning stability and enhances sustain. This means the instrument stays in tune longer, providing a better playing experience. This bundle includes everything a beginner needs: an amplifier, cable, tuner, strap, picks, online lessons, and an instructional DVD. It's a complete package to get them started right away. What we like. This guitar is perfectly sized for younger players, making it easier for them to learn. The comfortable neck and versatile pickups make it a joy to play. If you have a child who's eager to learn guitar, this is an excellent choice to start with. What people say. Good build quality for the price, and it sounds really good. It is a very solid, well-built guitar for the money. The guitar is smaller and very easy to press strings. Number 1. Squier Sonic Stratocaster Pack. This pack is built around the Squier Sonic Stratocaster. It includes everything you need to start playing electric guitar right away. It's a great choice for beginners. Inside, you'll find the Squier Sonic Stratocaster electric guitar, a gig bag, a Frontman 10G amp, a cable, and a strap. This pack has all the essentials to get you started. The guitar features a slim, C-shaped neck and a lightweight poplar body. This design makes it comfortable to play for hours, reducing fatigue. The guitar is equipped with 3 single-coil pickups. These pickups deliver a clear and articulate tone, suitable for various musical styles. This product comes with a 2-year limited warranty from Fender. This warranty ensures that the product is free from defects in materials and workmanship. What we like. This guitar is designed to be lightweight and comfortable, perfect for long practice sessions. The pickups deliver a crisp and articulate tone. If you are looking for a guitar that's easy to handle and offers a great sound, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This is an awesome set for a beginner. It's not too heavy, it's very well made. The amp has great sound quality. Works fantastic. Everything came in a box like it said, and it was all in great condition too. Great beginner guitar, 10/10 recommend. Sounds great. Perfect setup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.